Welcome to a journey through the night sky, where we uncover the magnificent phenomenon known as the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are primarily seen in a belt around the Arctic, roughly 2,500 kilometers wide.
These lights are more frequently observed during equinoxes due to the Earth's alignment with the geomagnetic field. A popular myth is that the lights are reflections from polar ice fields, but in reality, they are caused by collisions between gaseous particles in the Earth's atmosphere.
Historically, the first documented sighting of the Northern Lights was by a Greek philosopher in 350 BC, who described it as a dance of the spirits. The color spectrum of the aurora includes red, yellow, green, blue, and violet, with green being the most common. Green auroras are caused by oxygen molecules located about 95 kilometers above the Earth. The rare red auroras occur even higher in the atmosphere, at altitudes exceeding 320 kilometers. It's a little-known fact that auroras also happen on other planets in our solar system, with Jupiter's auroras being the most powerful.
Legend has it that in medieval times, auroras were often seen as omens of war or famine.
The Sami people of northern Scandinavia considered the Northern Lights to be spirits of the dead.
The Inuit believed that the lights were the spirits of animals they hunted: seals, salmon, deer, and beluga whales.
The Aurora Borealis got its name from Galileo Galilei in 1619, from the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora, and the Greek name for the north wind, Boreas. The intensity of the auroras is measured on the KP index, which ranges from 0 to 9, indicating very weak to very strong levels of geomagnetic activity. Though auroras are best viewed in complete darkness away from city lights, they can on rare occasions be spotted in areas with moderate light pollution.
The peak time to view the Northern Lights is between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. local time.
Solar flares significantly increase the likelihood of experiencing a strong aurora display.
The technology used to photograph the Northern Lights has advanced significantly, with modern cameras able to capture their vibrancy in stunning detail. Tourism in areas known for aurora viewing has led to the creation of unique accommodations such as glass igloos and aurora domes.
Some animals, particularly migratory birds and whales, are thought to be affected by the geomagnetic disturbances caused by auroras. Space agencies like NASA are keenly interested in auroras, as studying them can provide insight into the solar wind and the Earth's magnetic field. One common misconception is that summer is the best season for aurora viewing. However, the long daylight hours in the polar regions actually make winter the ideal season. Auroras have been referenced in popular culture, appearing in art, music, and literature throughout history.
The future of aurora research looks promising, with scientists developing new methods to predict their appearance more accurately.
Contrary to popular belief, auroras do not make any sound that humans can hear.
In northern folklore, the Northern Lights were believed to be the trails of a celestial fox as it ran across the sky. The phenomenon of aurora hunters has grown, with enthusiasts traveling to the Arctic from all over the world in hopes of catching a glimpse of the lights. An aurora seen close to the equator was documented in 1859 during the Carrington event, a powerful geomagnetic storm. The economic impact of aurora tourism is significant, contributing to local economies through hotels, tours, and other services.
Environmental changes have led to concerns about the visibility of auroras in the future, with some scientists warning that light pollution could reduce sightings. There is a phenomenon called aurora over the sunset, where the aurora appears vividly in the sky as the sun is setting. Certain cultures hold festivals to celebrate the return of the auroras, marking the beginning of the aurora viewing season.
The term auroral oval refers to the area with the highest probability of aurora visibility and shifts with varying geomagnetic activity.
Amateur radio operators have found that auroras can influence radio wave propagation, enhancing communication over long distances. The first photograph of the Aurora Borealis was taken in 1892, marking a significant moment in the historical documentation of this phenomenon.
There's a belief that the intensity of the northern lights can predict the weather, with brighter lights indicating colder temperatures.
The oldest known aurora recording dates back to over 30,000 years ago, found in cave paintings in France.
Not just visible to the naked eye, auroras have been detected on radio frequencies, allowing them to be heard as background hisses in radio broadcasts. The strength and frequency of auroras are expected to vary in cycles, roughly every 11 years, coinciding with the solar cycle.
Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of our world and beyond. Thank you for watching.